Retention Socket system is a patented fitting which has been designed to secure all types of illuminated and non-illuminated street furniture. In this video we demonstrate a 6-metre wide base traffic signal pole in a 350mm deep retention socket foundation. Retention sockets are designed to withstand the most severe impact, allowing damaged street furniture to be removed and replaced in minutes. To remove the damaged pole from the retention socket, simply remove the side chamber lid. Release the locking set screws. Lift the damaged pole vertically from the socket. Now you can insert the pedestrian plug or new steel pole and replace the side chamber lid. Think about it. Minimal traffic management, no excavations, no risk of damage to services, encompassing CDM regulations, no disruption to the public, and minimal risk to maintenance operatives. Clearly the intelligent foundation to be used for all street furniture installations.